Hi everyone, in the last 3 videos we learned how to say sorry formally and informally, and we learned how to accept someone's apology and how to reject someone's apology. So today I will put all these phrases together for you to listen and repeat after me and review them. If you are new here, go to the other videos to see the phrases in details, and after come here to review them with us. Yalla, let's start. How to say sorry formally and informally. عفواً. عفواً. Excuse me, pardon me. آسف. آسف. I'm sorry, masculine. آسفة. آسفة. I'm sorry, feminine. آسف كتير. آسف كتير. I'm so sorry, masculine. آسفة كتير. آسفة كتير. I'm so sorry, feminine. حقك علي. حقك علي. Please excuse me to a man. حقك علي. حقك علي. Please excuse me to a woman. حقك على راسي. حقك على راسي. I'm really sorry to a man. حقك على راسي. حقك على راسي. I'm really sorry to a woman. سامحني. سامحني. Forgive me to a man. سامحيني. سامحيني. Forgive me to a woman. بعتذر منك. بعتذر منك. I'm apologizing to you to a man. بعتذر منك. بعتذر منك. I'm apologizing to you to a woman. How to accept someone's apology. ولا يهمك. ولا يهمك. Don't worry about it to a man. ولا يهمك. ولا يهمك. Don't worry about it to a woman. مو مشكلة. مو مشكلة. No problem. سامحتك. سامحتك. I forgave you to a man. سامحتك. سامحتك. I forgive you to a woman. How to accept someone's apology in a strict way. بتمون. بتمون. You mean too much to me to a man. بتموني. بتموني. You mean too much to me to a woman. هاي المرة. هاي المرة. This time. هاي المرة مو مشكلة. هاي المرة مو مشكلة. This time no problem. هاي المرة سامحتك. هاي المرة سامحتك. This time I forgive you to a man. هاي المرة سامحتك. هاي المرة سامحتك. This time I forgive you to a woman. How to reject someone's apology. ما فيني سامحك. ما فيني سامحك. I can't forgive you to a man. ما فيني سامحك. ما فيني سامحك. I can't forgive you to a woman. اعتذارك مرفوض. اعتذارك مرفوض. Your apology is rejected to a man. اعتذارك مرفوض. اعتذارك مرفوض. Your apology is rejected to a woman. Thank you for joining me for the review video this week. I hope this review was useful for you. You could always go back and listen to the phrases again and again. Next week we will have new phrases. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be notified about my new videos. If you like this video, give me a thumb up, share it with your friends. Join me on Facebook and Instagram so we keep in touch. See you next week. Yalla bye.